Wild onions. They're a true gift from nature. These pungent little plants pop up in meadows and forests. But did you know they are also packed with health benefits? Let's delve deeper into the amazing world of wild onions and discover the incredible health benefits hidden within these unassuming plants. Wild onions are incredibly nutritious. These little plants are bursting with vitamins and minerals. They are especially rich in vitamins A and C. Wild onions are a good source of fiber too. All of these nutrients work together to help keep your body functioning at its best. Wild onions are a true boon for your health. The antioxidants in wild onions help fight free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to disease. By fighting free radicals, antioxidants protect your body and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Section 4. Wild onions in your kitchen. Tips for use. Incorporating wild onions into your diet is easy and delicious. These versatile plants add a burst of flavor to any dish. Section 5. Conclusion. Embrace the goodness of wild onions. Wild onions are a nutritional powerhouse. They offer a wide array of health benefits. Embrace their unique flavor and reap their incredible health benefits. Your body will thank you.